I would like to say thank you to all of you who have donated towards our Janáček series. It's such an important project for us. As you know, Janáček is a composer very close to my heart, to my personal history, but at the same time, it's a composer who has a lot to say today for today's people. Jenůfa, that we will open in March 22, is one of the best operas ever written. And we want to do it on the highest possible level. And without your help, it would not be possible. We are looking forward to present this piece to the audiences here in Cardiff, but also we are going on tour in other venues in Wales and England. So there will be a lot of people who can meet this wonderful music. I'm very glad that you've been so patient during this difficult time, and that now we can slowly, step by step, see the results. And you were always with us, which is great. I'd like to wish you a good start for 2022 and a beautiful, beautiful time on Christmas. And we're looking forward to see you here and to be with you.